Mama's breakfast? Mama, mama. Is that yummy? Yummy? Mommy's water, all Mama's drinks. So you want a napkin? Okay, here. Very proper, like to have a napkin. Hi. Hi, pretty lady. Say hi. Let me say hi. Yeah, I'm busy. Big mug. This dishwasher safe 40 or 50 ounces, so almost a whole day. We're gonna get that pasta. This one. Okay? Yeah. We're gonna get that one. For Liv to go potty. You gonna get your nails done? Are you gonna get your nails done? To go get to the beauty salon? Get your nails done, little tap dancer. Yeah. Get your nails done. Oh, she loves wearing clothes. She literally asks me to wear them. She literally jumped into this, seriously. You love your bandanas. I knew. Never, I didn't even know dogs like wearing clothes, but Stella does. She loves clothes. Axe was sweating, which doesn't happen a lot. Felt really good. I hate sweating so much. Doesn't anybody really like sweating? I mean, like, I guess it shows that you really, but anyway, feel good. I want to try to do this like 2-3 times a week. That wasn't too bad. So yeah, I'm just trying to get more tone. That's been my lifetime goal, even when I was like a twig. But yeah, I just want to feel like stronger, have more energy. Yeah, anyway, I did that. Gonna drink some water. I'm gonna repress some eyeshadows. Eat. Yeah. Finishing up my kava. We're outside. It's nice outside.
Oh, we're not going to
Oh my goodness. Baby! That laugh. So nice outside.
Whoa, there goes the shoe.
She demanded wearing her Crocs. So sometimes you pick your battles, you know?
Bye-bye, shoe.
Woo! Mommy's swinging too! Having fun! Working out my legs. I just worked out with. I just worked on. We're watching the Princess and the Frog. Love lima beans. Lima beans, Bonza, Rotini, and Aldi's, well, the earth grown from Aldi's mozzarella, and Trader Joe's garlic salt.
2 second.
2 second dinner.
2 second dinner.
Yeah, 2 second dinner, but very delicious and very filling. Pretzel pizza creations. Got the veggie without green onions, and we used the vegan cheese, and I don't think it comes with butter, but and it doesn't have Parmesan on the top. And then it has spinach, mushrooms, and broccoli, and we didn't get green onions or what else about green peppers or onions. And then the kids got one with pineapple. And then we got 2 pretzels. We got an Old Bay without butter.
It's really hot.
My dad's is not eating
really,
it. And
really
then we
hot.
got a cinnamon sugar one with no butter and chocolate chips. Vegan
I'm gonna
chocolate
float it and I see it.
For me, of all the teams, I would not be interested in buying out of the team.
I don't know. Yeah. Hopefully the baby won't be sneaky again. But watch the day 2. This is a commercial. Oh my god.
in Gabby's old house. Both my girls. Where you sit? Cool dude. Cool dude.
Cut her hair. Yeah. I'll have to look up on the website.
still adjusting to this. So I got these protective mats. I need to make like a wood cleaner for these, because that's what the problem was, is I was using like baby wipes that we are not really using for Liv anymore, or just like a cleaner, and it was taking the stain off. So I got these protectors for desks, and yeah, they don't fit 100%, but I couldn't find any dimensions that fit like the dimensions of the desk to fit like it perfectly, but it'd be good for backdrops too, especially this blue one. Easier to clean. They're both like kind of like a faux leather vibe. So I might have put this one on wrong, but yeah, so that's what I did, and I'm gonna get ready. I haven't worn makeup. Well, I barely wore makeup. On Friday we were having a what is it, faux pas? So yeah, but I posted 6 videos last week. Supposed to film my friend yesterday, that's why I didn't put makeup on, but she had a plumbing issue. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. It also came with these both look like a mouse, but I'm gonna be using them for probably makeup brushes and coffee and drinks and stuff. Also, I'll be getting drink marks on here, because even with coasters, like, so yeah, I'm always figuring things out and moving things around. We haven't painted yet, so because we haven't been in the house for a year, and with the warranty, we had to wait a year to paint. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on filming, and you'll see this video later. Wilson, what a sweet little man. Oh my goodness, he's so handsome. He's so handsome, so pretty. Look how pretty you are. Look how pretty you are. You're so beautiful. So beautiful. You sound like a pig.
Who's a very lovely dog?
Yeah, who's a cutie pie?
He's good.
Hi, Willow. Meow. Meow. Oh my goodness, the cutest little kitty cat. And then we have the kitty cat up there. We had this brownie batter from our box, the Hungry Root box. I forgot to skip this week, but it's a black bean brownie batter, but I made cookies out of it. It's so good. I think I'm gonna make, Arya doesn't really like cake. But she does like these, so I'm gonna try to make these, like actually make the recipe for her birthday party.
For what?